Today's video might just change your life. Graphic design is not just a skill, it's a powerful tool for the digital future. Are you ready to unlock your creative potential? Is graphic design just about making logos? Not at all. It's the art of visual communication. A single design can speak louder than 1,000 words. Graphic design is all about turning your ideas into powerful visuals. 1. There's high demand in digital marketing, YouTube, and social media. 2. You can earn thousands of dollars through freelancing. 3. You can build your own brand and stand out from the crowd. There are tons of free resources online. YouTube tutorials, Coursera, Freepik, Canva, Adobe, Creative Cloud. All you need is the will to start. 1. Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator 2. Typography 3. Color theory 4. UI, UX design 5. Canva and Freepik AI tools. Great for beginners. 5. Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer. Thousands of design jobs are posted every day. You can also get clients from Facebook, Instagram, and your own website. Build a digital portfolio and start showcasing your work. Be patient in the beginning. Practice at least 1 hour every day. In 3 months, you'll be amazed at your progress. Don't hide your talent. Show the world what you can do. If this video helped you, give it a like, share it with friends who want to learn design, and comment below with the topic you want next. Don't forget to subscribe and stay with us.